classics. To make sure I'm in front of real hip-hop tonight. I just want to know. So while the lights are blazing, watch this. Real low. Let me go back. That's the feedback. And feedback is good. It tells me where my mic is where it should be. Let me come back cause I'm free. Listen to me. You don't need to be guessing, you don't need to be stressing. The Obama deception was just one lesson. The military got all kind of weapons. Most of them are aimed at y'all from different directions. You looking at the same look. You protest their guns, but you using their Facebook. You don't get it yet? The American military captured the world with an internet. Listen. That bill was written. I wrote it a couple of years ago, scratch the kitten. Let me tell you right now how it really go. If you with this freestyle flow, somebody say.